Hello everyone, want shake transition like this to boost your views? Let's get started. Firstly, get your clips ready and create an adjustment layer above them. And trim off excess like me. Now, add S-shake to it and copy my values. Enable motion blur in the settings, put frequency to 14, and for amplitude at the start keep it 0, and at middle where you want your transition put to 0.9, and then 0 again at the end. Put the X round amp at 190, Y round amp at 90, Z round amp at 1, tilt round amp at 0.5. Again, put the amplitude at the start at 0 and at middle where you want your transition put to 0.9 and then 0 again at the end. Easy is the keyframes and copy my graphs. Now add Twitch effect, go to enable, then enable slide and light. Create keyframes for amount, start 0, mid 45, at end 0. Now easy is keys and repeat same graphs. Now add transform and create skew keyframes. For the first keyframe, put skew at 0, then minus 28, then 0 again. Add motion tile to prevent black edges. Put the direction to 67. Now easy is the keyframes and repeat graphs. Now add BCC lens blur OBS, put gamma to 1K, iris scale to 0 at start, 17 at mid and 0 at end. Put iris shape to circle. Now this time we use slightly different graphs. Now add exposure and copy my values. Start 0, middle 2 and ending 0. Now copy my graphs again. If this tutorial helped you, then please consider liking the video on your way out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.